Welcome to the all-new Catalina Palms, one of the most anticipated new 55-plus communities in Port St. Lucie. In this video, I'm taking you inside a stunning model home to show you the layout, designs, and lifestyle that will set this community apart. If you're thinking about buying here, don't go at it alone. Contact me today for VIP access, pricing details, and expert representation as your new construction realtor. So the home we are walking up to now is actually their lowest price model available in all of Catalina Palms, starting in the low 300s. It's the Rose Villa, designed as a 2-bedroom with 1,373 square feet under air, a covered lanai out back, and a full garage plus a golf cart garage. Inside, the space feels exactly like a single-family home, so you'll definitely want to stay until the end of this tour to see what this builder has to offer as a more affordable option. And Akel builds to a higher standard of included features with every home, offering the best value and quality of construction. You'll find hurricane impact windows, of course, a concrete tile roof, and 24 by 24 porcelain tile in the main living areas. There's a gourmet kitchen with a hood and upgraded appliances, spray foam insulation in the attic, and a tankless water heater, taller doors and upgraded modern trim, a frameless glass shower enclosure in the primary, white and wood-colored cabinets, granite or quartz countertops as options, as well as all kitchen and laundry appliances are included, as well as a screened-in covered lanai. Thinking about making a move to Port St. Lucie, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or looking to get more value for your money, having the right local representation matters. I specialize in helping buyers relocate and navigate new construction here every week, making the process smooth, strategic, and stress-free. From choosing the right neighborhood to understanding builder incentives, timelines, and contracts, I'm here to protect your interests from day one. If you're considering a move, reach out to me directly or use the link below to schedule a quick call. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you identify the best options on the Treasure Coast. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your local Port St. Lucie relocation and new construction expert. And new home communities like this one are a perfect example of why so many people are choosing to move here. Sundance is an all-new master plan development featuring multiple gated golf cart-friendly communities connected by the Sundance Strata. Residents will have access to future amenities including parks, shopping, and the Vitality Village, which will feature a racket club, health and wellness center, a cafe, amphitheater, and outdoor gathering spaces. The first phase of Sundance is the 55 and over active adult community of Catalina Palms, offering residents the 56,000 square foot Club Catalina, the community's exclusive social and fitness hub. A full-time lifestyle director will host events and classes with amenities including a grand hall, an exhibition kitchen for gourmet group classes, an arts and crafts studio, billiards and poker rooms, ping pong, a sports simulation room, and a spa area with a cold plunge. There's also going to be a mineral spa, nail and hair salons, and massage rooms. The fitness center will include cardio and strength equipment, a stretch room, yoga studio, and group fitness classes, and they're also planning for tennis, pickleball, and bocce courts. There's going to be a restaurant on site offering indoor and outdoor dining, along with an outdoor bar overlooking a resort-style pool with seating, cabanas, a spa, and a separate lap pool, all surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. And in Catalina Palms, there are 29 single-story floor plans across 5 collections. Each home offers 3 exterior elevations: transitional, which is included, coastal, or contemporary, with optional premiums ranging from $7,000 to about $15,000. And all homes will be built to order with an estimated 10-month build time. So if you're interested in touring Catalina Palms or securing VIP pricing, contact me directly. I specialize in new construction communities and will guide you through the entire process from selecting the right home to closing. Thanks for touring this beautiful model home with me. If you can see yourself living this lifestyle, the next step is simple. Reach out to me today for VIP updates, pricing details, and trusted guidance to secure the right home in Port St. Lucie. I'd love to represent you and help you make your move with confidence.